Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders based on shipping cost in Shopify. Using the selected shipping cost condition, you can easily achieve that, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the selected shipping cost condition. So first, we'll search for selected shipping cost in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination to continue. Here, for this example, we set selected shipping cost to block if less than and enter $20. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "Sorry you can't order." Please make sure to select a shipping method with a cost over $20. After that, click the Save button to apply your rule. This means that if a customer selects any shipping method for an order under $20, the order will be blocked. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the shipping method selected by the customer costs less than $20. Customers will still be able to click the Pay button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Now we will select the Express shipping method, which costs more than $20. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!